Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zacks Trade, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in www.zackstrada.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Zacks Trade homepage. Locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. A new login window will appear. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. If you already have an account, enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password. Once you have filled in your username and password, click the Login button. After a moment, you should be redirected to your Zacks Trade account dashboard. If this is your first time logging in, you may be asked to complete a security verification step. Follow any on-screen prompts to verify your identity. Once you have successfully logged in, explore the various features available on your account. Familiarize yourself with the layout and options provided to optimize your trading experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.